Hello everyone, we have seen about for loop. Now we will learn for in loop. For in loop, it loops through properties of an object. See this sentence, this code. Constant person is an object. Like a person, like you are an object. You have a first name, last name, and age. So objects are always written in curly braces and arrays and square brace. So this is an object. So for in loop help us you to iterate through these components. I am going to try it myself. Initially we have some text here, and I run again. We get the result only. JavaScript starts. A constant object is defined here with the first name John, last name Doe, and age 25. Let x equal to empty. Let text is equal to empty. I mean text a variable is started. For let x in person. For every property of the object. Properties are f name, last name or l name or age. So this one will circulate through it, and the concerned value will given to the text. Then it will give it to the demo, this element. I will also show you one thing. If you type Control Shift I in Chrome, you can go to the console and delete the existing thing. You can easily interactively work here with JavaScript. For example, if I copy this object name or anything, we can say let u is equal to curly braces. Now an object start your first name semicolon unknown age 20. Now we have defined an object. If you type u here, you will get the result. These are interactive JavaScript. So if you need unknown means you can write your name. For my name is Anup. I will write here. Now u is updated. Now you have a name of Anup. So u is a object. If you want to extract Anup from the object, you can write here u open and close. Inside two bracket. Inside I can write anything like a f name, first name. There was spelling mistake, so MA like I write. So I get my first name. If you want to access my age as 20, you can write like you age 20. Now you got how to access the values of an object. And arrays are different than, for example, I will show you. Let array example is equal to, arrays are starting like this, so it can have a different value like 1 2 3, something like that. So you should know the difference between array and object. Okay, now it's over. Also, very easily you can iterate through arrays using for in loop, like for let x in numbers, x plus equal to numbers of numbers x. So x will automatically start with 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, before we are without in natively we will write like for I is equal to 0, x I less than array dot line. It does not need. It is very easy here. Then loop for off. It's very simple than all of the above. Like initially we have a constant cars with 3 car name and empty text for x of car, text plus or equal to is x. So this one directly means this value. We don't have to write the index or something like that. Like before it was writing like a cars x like that. So it will count from x will have a value starting from 0 1 2 3 like that. It doesn't need, we can directly write x. So the x will means to the these elements. The same thing can be we can do over a string. For example, language is equal to JavaScript. JavaScript is a string. Hope you know the difference between string. String is a constant value. It never changes. With the same function, we can loop over it. Now we will learn about while loop. So what while loop do is, until a certain condition false, it repeat again and again. While I less than 10, text is equal to the number is I plus plus. Initially the code start here. I will increase. Initially this statement computer will check this statement. It is true because initially I is given as 0. Then we can mention it as 2. 0 less than 2, so it's true. So this one execute. The number is, the value of I is 0 now. Then I plus plus, that means I added with 1 again. Then it will check again, 1 less than 2. It will execute. The number is I. Now value of I is 1. This now the value of 1. Then here comes. Now 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. I plus plus means whatever be the previous value of I, it will add 1 to it. Now it will check 2 less than 2. It false, so it will, the code will die. You can see we get only 2 because when the count is 2, 2 less than 2, it cause error. If it is less than or equal to, we will get 2, because when it is 2, the condition true and this one execute, then the code number become 3, then it's die. Hope you understood the while loop. So these are the basic thing in looping in JavaScript. And also we have a do while loop, but usually we don't use those things heavily in real world.